We work with individuals who are looking at possibly opening their own business, starting their own business, and want to have a better understanding of all the aspects of doing so, whether they're up for the challenge, whether they financially can afford to open their own business, and really just start the planning process, working on developing a business plan. Attaining Your Personal Best workshop was introduced to me as an opportunity to allow some of our clients to go through the seminar. I went through the seminar just as an outside perspective to see what it was about, to see if it was worthwhile promoting to some of our clients who needed to kind of get a handle on themselves and kind of evaluate themselves and just see if they're personally ready for the responsibility of going and starting their own business. After going through the seminar, several of our clients thought it was a great way to spend the day. It really brought perspective. It made them understand that, to follow their intuition, to follow their drive, and really they could achieve the challenge of opening their business or maintaining on track to continue the research of starting their own business. I do think it would be valuable to managers and HR staff because it kind of gives you a better perspective on not everybody's like you, not everybody has had the same lifestyle as you, and not everybody has had the same upbringing, and everybody sees life differently, and this kind of puts it into perspective that, they are who they are, and there might be something that's holding them back, but they really want to be a good person, and it probably makes you just evaluate people differently.